We all love to have KFC chicken, but there is a bit of a problem. We can't get the same taste of the chicken as they make it at KFC. Also, the recipe is well safeguarded by them. However, we have tried making this at home with ingredients that was readily available with us. With a marination time of 4 to 5 hours, this KFC chicken recipe has come out delicious. And we thought of sharing this recipe with you so that you too can try it at home. Welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, where we are going to make KFC chicken. So let's start making it. So come on. So the first ingredient we need is chicken drumsticks, which we have bought over here. And we are going to make slits onto the chicken. This slits is very essential for the masalas to stick onto the chicken, and it will get marinated easily and faster too. Now as we make slits into the chicken, let's see what are the ingredients we have kept to make our fried chicken. Ingredients required is ginger garlic paste, curd, jeera powder, turmeric, chili powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, salt and an egg. Then we need to add some flour. Then some oats we have kept over here. Also some vinegar. And since it's our own recipe that we are going to make, we have added some Italian seasoning too. This would add a little flavor to the fried chicken. Now our chicken is slit and all the pieces are finely slit and ready. Now we have to start the marination process. So we need the first ingredient to be added is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, one teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, one teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of flour. We have used all-purpose flour to make our fried chicken. Now we need to add the egg, which we are going to crack. Next we need to add the vinegar. We pour 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And the next step is to mix all the ingredients together along with the chicken. So how long do we need to marinate this chicken?
4 to 5 hours.
So we need to marinate the chicken 4 to 5 hours to ensure that the masala stick along with the chicken. Since the consistency is little watery, we thought of adding 1 more tablespoon of all-purpose flour to the chicken pieces. Also, it is not very spicy, so we needed to spice it up a bit by adding another teaspoon of chili powder. Now we mix these ingredients together. Oh, by the way, we forgot to add our Italian seasoning, so we'll be adding it right now. So we sprinkle across the Italian seasoning onto our chicken, and now we mix them together to ensure that the seasoning blends with the chicken. Now our chicken is marinated. We need to keep it for 4 to 5 hours aside. However, we recommend that you keep the chicken marinated overnight so the masalas will stick onto the chicken and we can have a tasty, fresh and juicy chicken as we fry it. It's 4 to 5 hours since we marinated our chicken, and now we are going to fry it. For this we have taken it out from our refrigerator, and we have kept it out for half an hour to thaw. Now we need to do the next step, and the next ingredient we have is oats. So oats, we have taken 1 cup of oats, which we have crushed it with a hand, and it is ready over here. We need to pour sufficient oil to deep fry our chicken. We need to light the stove on high flame. As we wait for the oil to get hot, we need to mix the chicken with the masala once again, and we need to dip this chicken into the oats that we have crushed. Ensure that all parts of the chicken is covered with oats to get the crispy and crunchy feeling when we eat it. Now we need to reduce the flame to medium while we fry our chicken. Reduce the flame because just to ensure that the oats does not get burnt. We have to wait till the chicken is brown in color, and then we need to take it off the stove. A tasty, juicy chicken is ready to be served. Now a tender, juicy fried chicken is ready to be eaten with sauce as one of the ingredients. Enjoy it. We hope you liked watching a previous video where we have shown you how to make KFC chicken or the fried chicken. Well, I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something out of it. Now, what do we do when there is excess of quantity of oats as well as we have excess quantity of masalas? So how do we make use of it? We have to make them into small balls, and these balls we have deep fried them in oil where we have made a snack out of it. This snack can be had with sauce and also can be given to children during their tea time breaks, and also you can pack it up to school. So please wait till the entire video and see how we can reuse this ingredients of oats and the chicken masala that we have used to make a KFC chicken. Now we have got some excess oats that we have kept to fry a chicken, and also we have got some excess masalas that is left. So what do we do with it? So we mix the oats with the masala and we try to cook something new. This is a dish that we have tried it by ourselves. In fact, we just didn't want to waste the oats and the masalas that is left over. So now we mix both the ingredients together. There is already salt existent in the masala, and now we make it into small little balls. So with the masala as well as with the oats, we have got a few balls that we have made. The next step, we need to fry them. Now we have lit a stove, and we need to place these balls of oats balls into the oil. Please ensure the oil is heated up well enough to fry these oat balls. So we continuously stir it in the frying pan to ensure these balls turn brown in color, after which we can take it down from the stove. Now our oats residue balls is also ready, and this can be had as a snack along with sauce. This can be served for kids. This is a tasty option too. We hope that you liked watching our videos, and we request you to share it with your friends if you found this video useful and informative. Please do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. This will really help us to improve our channel and the quality of recipes that we create in future. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, take care, see you soon, bye bye.